Hi, I'm Cheryl Leach. In this problem, we're asked to find the equation of a function that has a set of characteristics. Let's take a look at what we are looking for. We want to find a cosine curve that has a period of pi, an amplitude of 8, and is shifted up 2 units. So let's take these characteristics one at a time. The first thing I notice is that I'm looking for a cosine curve. A general cosine curve is going to have the form y equals a times the cosine of bx minus c plus d. The various literals a, b, c, and d will do a variety of things to that function. It may stretch it or shrink it horizontally, vertically, it can do some shifting, all kinds of different things. So let's see what else is required in this problem. I know that I want the period to be pi. Well, the literal b is what is going to control the period in this case. And I know that the period of a cosine curve is typically 2 pi. So if I take 2 pi and divide it by b, I will get the period of the function I'm interested in. Well, this time, I know what the period is. It's pi. So I have pi equals 2 pi divided by b. And then I can solve this equation for b. So pi times b is going to equal 2 pi, and so b equals 2. So I know that I need to replace the b with a 2. Okay, well, what else do I know? I know that I want to have an amplitude of 8. Amplitude is controlled by this literal a, and it's going to equal whatever the amplitude is. So a is going to equal 8. So I need to replace this a with an 8. Okay. The last thing I need to do is to talk about the fact that I want it shifted up 2 units. The shifting, the vertical shifting of a graph is controlled by the literal d. And in this case, since I want it to be shifted up 2 units, I want d to equal 2. So that will equal 2. So when I make all my replacements, I end up with y equals 8 times the cosine of 2x. Now hold on a minute. I never talked about c. It never told me that there was any shifting at all involved. So c is going to be 0. So I just have 8 cosine 2x plus 2. And this equation fits all of my characteristics. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.